Hey, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Kurt Buchanan. Thank you so very much for checking out my video. I really do appreciate it. To you guys who continue to help me to grow my YouTube channel by always liking, leaving comments, subscribing to my channel, and sharing my content on social media, big shout out to you guys. Thank you so very much. I really do appreciate it. In this video, I'm going to be talking to you guys about detailed targeting for your Facebook/Instagram advertisements for your Shopify dropshipping products. So I've come to the realization that a lot of you guys understand Facebook to an extent, but as it relates to doing detailed targeting, you guys are not really familiar, and that's where you tend to get lost when setting up your Facebook ads for your Shopify dropshipping store. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how I do my detailed targeting so you guys can replicate this for your very own Shopify dropshipping product, and hopefully you can see some results with your Facebook ad campaigns. Alright, so in this video, what I'm basically going to be doing is I'm going to be using this product as my sample product, and I'm going to be using all the information I can gather from this product to help me with my detailed targeting and use that to set up my Facebook ad campaign. So let's jump straight into setting up the Facebook ad. Of course, you want to go to your ad manager, go to ads, you want to click on create. Once you click on create, it's going to take you to your objective page where you select your objective. In this instance, we're going to do traffic. If you guys have been following my videos, you know I really do love messenger ads, and under traffic, and here is where you can find messenger ads. So I'm going to do traffic, click on continue, then I'm going to select messenger as my destination for my advertisement. Alright, so where it says traffic here, I'm going to select messenger, then it's going to ask me to create my audience. For this product, based on what I'm seeing here, this product is targeting women, and I'm going to be targeting women between say 18 and 40, and I'm going to be targeting women in 4 countries for this example. So by default I have United States, so I'm just going to add Canada. I'm going to add let's say Australia. I am also going to add women in the United Kingdom. Alright, so that's it for my locations, and as you guys know by now, more locations you add, the more your estimated reach will be increased, more clicks per day, and this is all based on your daily budget as well. Once I'm finished with location, then I'm going to do age range, and I did say 18 to 40, so I'm just going to select 40 here, and of course we're targeting women, so I want to click that as well. Lots of persons make this mistake targeting all with women targeted products. Alright, once you have that set, then it's time to do detailed targeting. So you guys need to pay attention to this section here as well that says estimated daily reach, link clicks. So as I start to refine my detailed targeting, this will change. It can either go up or down. Alright, so a lot of persons don't understand detailed targeting. So this is the focus of this video, and let me explain what detailed targeting is. Define your audience by including or excluding demographics, interests, or behaviors. Really, I really wished Facebook had bolded this, and this that says demographics, interest, and behavior to drive the point home that these are the 3 criteria that you need to basically have in mind when you're setting up your detailed targeting. Alright, so let me show you exactly the simplest way. Click on browse. What you'll see here is that it says demographics, interest, behavior. So under demographics, you can expand that, and we could choose persons to target based on education level. So let's do that. I'm going to do education level, and I'm going to say college grads. All right, I could go back to demographics, I could browse again, and I could select another demographic factor here, such as parents. For example, I could select moms, and I could select corporate moms if I wanted to. All right, so that's it for demographics. You get the picture. All right, so as you can see here, my estimated daily reach has been changed. Alright, so once you're finished with demographics, then interest, right? You can do it in any order you want, but I'm just going to stick to demographics, interest, behavior. So interest is basically persons who have shown an interest in a Facebook page related to a topic. So for this example, for this product, it would be persons who have shown interest in shopping and fashion, for example, beauty. And we could select hair care products here, and I'm also going to select spa because it did say something about spa in the heading here. It says giant spa, bathing, wrap cap. Alright, so that's what I'll do for my interest, and you could select more interest if you can find more interest that is related to the product you're actually promoting from your Shopify dropshipping store. Alright, so next is behavior, and this is my favorite because I can basically target persons who have shown a certain type of behavior, purchase behavior, in products related to the products we are promoting. So purchase behavior is what we usually go for. And this product is in the health and beauty, so I would select that. And then as you can see here, it says hair care, so I could select hair care for persons, basically target persons who have bought hair care products on Facebook before. That is what behaviors is. So basically persons don't really understand the difference between interest and behavior. Interest is persons who have expressed an interest in a page related to spa in this case, and hair products in this case. Behavior has to do with persons who have past purchase behavior as it relates to hair care. So these persons have actually bought hair care products before. Alright, so basically that is how you do detailed targeting on Facebook. And as you can see, my estimated reach is 4,500 to 14,000, 29 clicks, 270 clicks per day, and that is with a $20 per day budget. So let's say you can't afford that and you can only do 10, then you would only be getting around 16 clicks per day. Alright, so the reason why I love doing messenger ads is that even with 16 clicks per day from your $10 ad spend, you can basically get 16 leads. So even if these persons don't purchase immediately, these persons will become a part of your messenger chatbot, so you can remarket, retarget to these people easily in messenger. You can communicate with these persons one-on-one. And how you do that is basically setting up your JSON with your ManyChat account. Go to your growth tools, select a growth tool, go to where it says JSON. Has to be done on a pro account, but the pro account is $10 a month. You set up your JSON, a chatbot, which is a sequence of messages. Then you copy your JSON code, go back to your Facebook Messenger ad, and paste that JSON code. So once someone clicks on that messenger button that says send to messenger, they automatically will be sent to your messenger, and you can set up your JSON so you can have a conversation with those persons right then and there. So even if those persons don't make a purchase made immediately, you have them as a subscriber in your messenger list. You can continue to communicate with them for days to convince them to make the purchase from you. Alright, so that is basically all that I wanted to cover for you guys in this video. I really hope you guys understand detailed targeting a lot more now than you did before. And if you guys are interested in how I found this product, I basically use this website, Pexda. Alright, so I'm going to leave a link in the description where you guys can go ahead and check out Pexda as well. So basically Pexda hunts winning products for you, and you can find winning products, and they give you a lot of information about the products, targeting, images, Facebook ads for you to copy, a lot of information that you can use for your Shopify dropshipping business. Alright, so that is where I'm going to end tonight's video for you guys. Really hope you found it helpful. If you did, please go ahead, leave me a like, leave me a comment if you have any questions, and I would really appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel. Also, you'll be notified when I release my new videos related to Shopify dropshipping as well. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.